I talk on IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. I have discussed rules and other related positions of the substituents regarding IUPAC system. Now I start with aldehyde. For this, functional group is CHO. Secondary suffix is al. Key points to remember: prefix plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix equal to name of the compound. Prefix, root word plus primary suffix minus E plus secondary suffix give you name of the compound. Second key point is if more than one locants are required between primary suffix and secondary suffix, the terminal letter E of primary suffix is not removed. This is important point. If more than one locants means the number allotted to functional group, whether it is 1 or 2 or more. So if more than one locants are required between primary suffix and secondary suffix, the terminal letter E of primary suffix is not removed. Third key point is all other rules regarding nomenclature are allowed. See my previous video lecture. See my previous videos. Now I start with an example, one by one. Example: with 1 carbon atom, with 2 carbon atom, with 3 carbon atom, and so on. So CH3 start with 1 carbon atom. This is number 1. CHO group contains carbon, so it is given number, and that number will be lowest number. CH3 CHO, 2 carbon, CH3 CH2 CHO. This is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So its root word is meth, primary suffix is in, secondary suffix is al, so name will be methanol. Delete the E. This is IUPAC name. Its common name is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. See, in this case, it has got 2 carbon atom. So root word is eth. Primary suffix is in. Remove the E and add Al. This is ethanol. Common name is acetaldehyde. Similarly, 1, 2, 3 prop, primary suffix N, E is removed, al. Its common name is propionaldehyde. So it is necessary to remember even the common name, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, because it is necessary in other studies. So these are the IUPAC names. Methanol, IUPAC name. Ethanol, IUPAC name. Propanol, IUPAC name. While giving numbers, carbon of the functional group is allotted number. So note, the functional groups which have carbon is allotted in number, is allotted a lowest number. As you see here, this is given number, this is given number, this is given number. So lowest number is given for carbon of the CHO group. Four-membered carbon, CH2, CHO. This is four-membered carbon, CH3, CH3. This is CHO. Allot the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Name is for root word but, primary suffix N, E is removed, Al is added, so it is butanol. Common name is N-butyraldehyde. See here, this is 1, 2 and 3. So 2 is substituent, so it is 2-methyl. Root word is prop, primary suffix in, E is removed, al. So this is 2-methyl propanol. Its common name is isobutyraldehyde. Another compound is derivative of benzene, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CHO. This is unsaturated aldehyde. This phenyl group acts as substituent. It starts the numbering from this side because the carbon of functional group, so it is given the lowest number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4-phenyl is your substituent, so its name will be 4-phenyl. Root word is but, 2 is in, 1 al. 4-phenyl, but root word, double bond is on the 2 carbon atom, so it is 2 in, so I have left a dash like this, in 1 al. Bond line presentation. Now start the numbering from this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is substituent, so 5-chloro. Root word of 5 carbon atom, so it is pent. Primary suffix in, E is removed, al, 1 al. 5-chloro, pentane 1 al. Now numbering will be started from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 3 cyclohexyl, root word pent, in 1 al. So these are the compounds which are shown in the form of bond. So it is called bond line formula of compound. Note: if CHO group is directly bonded to a ring system, if CHO is directly bonded to a ring system, the name of the compound is written as name of the ring plus carbaldehyde as suffix, give you name. This is important. If CHO is directly bonded to a ring system, name of the compound is written as name of the ring plus carbaldehyde as suffix, gives you the name. So name of the ring is common, which is common. Name of the ring which is common. For example, this 3-member ring, this is cyclopropane. It has got CHO group. CHO is directly bonded to the ring. This is another cyclic system, CHO. This is another cyclic system, CHO. Other cyclic system, this is CHO. This is other cyclic system named as naphthalene, CHO. you see that in each of the shown compound, CHO is directly bonded to ring system. 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 Name of the compound, name of the ring in common sense. This is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Add carbaldehyde. CAR. Connectivity should be maintained. Carbaldehyde. Cyclopropane carbaldehyde. Cyclopropane. Connectivity should be maintained. Carbaldehyde. Cyclobutane. Carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane. Carbaldehyde. Due to lack of space, I am not connecting the carbaldehyde with cyclohexane. So when you write it, so make a single sentence, make a single word by connecting both of the two. Similarly, this is benzene. This is the ring. Benzene is the common name. Benzene carbaldehyde. This is naphthalene carbaldehyde. Since all the carbon atoms of benzene are equivalent, but in case of naphthalene, all positions of the ring are not equivalent. So this CHO is present on position 2, so its name is naphthalene carbaldehyde. Naphthalene carbaldehyde. Other examples. This is cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. These are two bonds. This is the equatorial bond and this is the axial bond. So it has got CHO group here, and this side got OH group here. This group comes down, this group goes out, this comes down, and this goes up. So both are at the trans position. So name of this compound is trans. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Trans. Parent chain is cyclohexane. Carbaldehyde. But one thing has been left, that is position of OH group. So you have to add it. So it is 4-hydroxy cyclohexane carbaldehyde, since this compound is trans. Other example of benzene. Remember that benzene is common name. Note, benzene is common name. Common name. It is given in modern inorganic chemistry by Carey. Benzene is common name. See other example of benzene derivatives. This is CHO, this is NO2. Numbering should be given like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, identical position. So name of this compound is 4-nitro benzene carbaldehyde. Again note a point: when more than two CHO groups are given in an aliphatic open chain compound, in such case IUPAC secondary suffix is not permitted to write, but it is allowed to write word carbaldehyde for each one, carbaldehyde for each CHO group. For example, this carbon, one carbon, this is 4 CHO and CHO. 4 CHO groups are bonded to one carbon atom. It is not possible to give ul in the form of ul, so it's the main parent is methane, या methane tetracarbaldehyde. In that case, E is not removed because no question arises, because this carbaldehyde is not the secondary suffix. So removal of E is not required. So removal of E is not required in such cases. Similar example is of propane derivative. This is CHO and CHO. 1, 2, 3. Its name is, root word is prop. Primary suffix is in. 1, 2, 3. Tricarbaldehyde. Thank you.